PVC pipe waste. PVC pipe waste shredder crusher. Plastic shredder crusher is a combination of shredder and crusher in a single unit. Space saving and investment minimized compared to the individual shredder, granulator, and conveyor. Plastic shredder crusher machine is mainly recycling crush table, sheet, large plastic block, large diameter ADP pipe, PP pipe, K pipe, PPR pipe, PVC pipe, drainage pipe, water pipe, plastic pipe, big solid block of plastic, plastic purging, plastic lumps, etc. Shredder crusher combined processes input material round. Purgings involve the objects to the desired granule size into stages. 10毫米 shredded particle 和10毫米 grit. Reduction technology produces uniform grit that is immediately ready for reuse. Its flap size is about 3到8毫米, which can be directly used for injection in the extruder machine. According to customer requirements, vibration speeds can be used to screen materials of different sizes. Use pulse method, collect the dust from pulverizer, then keep the workshop clean.